Hello, children. Greetings to you all. Let's start this class with a small prayer. Close your eyes and bow down your heads. Dear God, thank you so much for bringing all the children to this online class. Bless all the children and help them to study well with all their interests. Amen. Okay, children, let's start with our today's class. So, last class we studied about patterns. What is that? We studied about patterns. I think you all are familiar with patterns now. Let's recall what we studied in our last class. Okay, children. So we studied about patterns. What is that? Patterns. So what is a pattern? A pattern is a repeated decorative design. What is that? A pattern is a repeated decorative design. So a design will be keep on repeated with some designs or shapes or colors or patterns, okay, on a surface. Okay, next we saw some example for patterns. Okay, then we did this exercise about filling the patterns. Then this activity, coloring the patterns. I think you all have finished your homework now. Okay, then we saw about square number. What is that? Square number. What is a square number? A square number is a number multiplied by itself. A number that is multiplied by itself will give a square number. Here 1 is multiplied by 1 itself, that is 1 square, we get 1. Then 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. So it will be keep on moving. Okay. Then we saw this one about how we are writing a square number and forming a pattern. Okay, what we saw about all these things. Okay, then what all we saw this example of forming a pattern using square number, placing the dots. Okay, now turn to page number 56. Turn to page number 56. Okay, see, you can see this exercise. Count and write the tiles. Count and write the tiles. Okay, so take your pencil, page number 56. Page number 56. Okay, do yourself. Count and write the tiles. So they have given the figures. We are going to count the tiles and we are going to write the numbers below. Okay, so here how many tiles are there? 1. So write 1 in the box. Okay, then here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tiles are there. So write 4. Okay, children. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tiles. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 tiles are there. Yes. And again here next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25. So we have written the numbers. So what can you understand from this numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What you can understand from this number? All these numbers are what number? All these numbers are square numbers. What is that? Square numbers. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16. 5 into 5 is 25. So all these numbers are what numbers? Square numbers. Yes, very good. So we shall do the next activity. Circle the square numbers. Circle the square numbers. So we shall circle the square numbers. What is the first square number? That is 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 into 1 is 1. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Then 3 into 3 is 9. Then 4 into 4 is 16. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 into 6 is 36. 7 into 7 is 49. 8 into 8 is 64. Then 9 into 9 is 81. Then 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, 10 into 10 is 100. So till 100 we have circle. It is coming diagonally. Okay, then what are other numbers are there? No, we have to search for the other numbers. We have to search for 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. So till 100 this is the square numbers. So we can see for other numbers. So again 4 is a square number. So first row we will search. So 4 is a square number. Then what else? Again 9 is a square number. So first row is over. Second row, any numbers are there? 2, 4 we have circled already. Then 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yes, 16 is there. 16 is a square number. Okay, then 18, 20. Okay, then come the third row. 3, 6, 9 we have already circled. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So no other numbers are there. Again the next row, yes, 4 is there. 4. Then come 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 is there. 36. 6 into 6 is 36. Okay. Then again 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So nothing is there. Then 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Nothing is there. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Nothing. So next one is 8. Then 16 is there. Yes, circle the 16. Then 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Okay. Then 9 is there. 9 is a square number. 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Yes, 36 also there. 36 you circle. Okay. That's all. Yes. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is the square numbers from 1 to 100. What is that? From 1 to 100, this is the square number. I think you all can see these numbers. Yes, children? Yes. Please copy down in your textbook. Okay, children? Yes. So this is a square number. A square number is a number multiplied by itself is called a square numbers. Now we are going to learn about the next one, that is triangular numbers. What is that? Triangular numbers. So what is a triangular number? What is a triangle? We know the shape triangle. It will be having 3 corners. What is that? 3 corners. So triangle means having 3 corners. So a number that can make a triangular dot pattern. What is that? A number that make a triangular dot pattern is called a triangular number. So okay, you can see any of the series of numbers obtained by continued summation of the natural number. Natural number. That number can be obtained by triangular dot patterns. Okay, we shall see how we are going to write a triangular number. Okay, children? Yes. So how will you write a triangular number? So we know what is a natural number. Natural number. Natural number, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it keeps on moving. Okay, so all these numbers are called as triangular numbers. So here we are going to learn about triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. Okay. Yes. So what is the first number? Natural number is 1. What is the first natural number? 1. So first number is 1. first number is 1. So 1 we are going to write as it is. Okay, the next number is 2. So next step we are going to multiply 1 plus 2. What is that? 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? Yes, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, next we are going to multiply 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, then again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, what is the next number? 4. So what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus next number is 5. So what is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, the next step is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So this is how we will keep on writing all the numbers. So these numbers are called as triangular numbers. What is the triangular numbers? Okay, so we are going to add the natural number, consecutive natural number, that is consecutive means next natural number with the numbers. Okay, so first we did 1, then 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That likewise we are keep on adding the consecutive natural numbers so that we are getting triangular numbers. I think you all have understood now. So here you can see the example in the textbook, page number 57. Yes, first one, they are forming a triangular number. First triangular number is 1. So they have kept a dot, only one dot here. And the next triangle number is, what is that? Next triangular number is 3. So they have kept 3 dots and they have joined and it has formed a triangle, right? And the next number is 6. So 6 dots and they are joined, again it forms a triangle. Then 10, then 15. Likewise they have keep on adding the consecutive natural numbers and they are forming a triangular numbers. Okay, by adding another row of dots and counting all the dots, we can find the next number of the sequence. Okay, the first triangle has just one dot, the second triangle has another row with 2 extra dots, making 1 plus 2 is 3. The third has another row with 3 extra dots, making 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So the fourth is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10 and the series keep on goes on. Okay, here 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 are called as triangular numbers. The numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 etc. are called as triangular shapes. Okay, so this is how we will form a triangular numbers. Okay, so what is the relationship between triangular numbers and natural numbers? We saw what is a natural number. Natural number, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, it will keep on moving. Okay, so what is the relationship between triangular numbers and natural numbers is, we are having one is a natural number and it is a triangular number also. So we are keep on adding the natural numbers, consecutive natural numbers, and we are getting the triangular numbers. So by adding the consecutive natural numbers, we are getting the triangular numbers. This is the relationship between natural number and triangular number. Okay, now if we add consecutive natural numbers, we will get triangular numbers. Can you understand now? Yes, the sum of consecutive natural number makes the triangular number. What is that? Sum means addition. Addition of consecutive natural numbers makes the triangular numbers. Okay children, I think you all have understood now what is a triangular numbers. Okay, we shall see some example here now. Yes, yes. So make the triangle shape in the form of series of the numbers by nuts. So you are going to use nuts and you are going to place here. So instead of using nuts, you do using dots. So you do. So for 1 means you will keep only one dot. Okay, so I keep only one dot. Okay, like that. For 3, how many dots? 3 dots you will keep. Okay, then for 6, 10, 15 you do as a homework. What is that? Homework. You have to keep dots and you have to do. Okay, next exercise we will do. Answer the following. Square of the number 7. Square of the number 7, that is 7 square, that is 7 into 7. What is 7 into 7? 7 into 7 is 49. B option you tick. Okay, 64 is the square number of dash. So what is 64? Which is square number? Yes, 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 7, 49. 8 into 8, 64. So 8 is the square number of 64. C option. Is 24 a square number? Is 24 is coming in a square number? No, only 25 is coming. So third one is no. Third one is no. A number multiplied by dash is called square of the number. So in square number what you are doing? We are multiplying a number by itself. 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 ITSELF is called a square of the numbers. Okay. The next one is fill in the blanks. Okay. So here they have written 4, 9, 16. All these are what numbers? Square numbers. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. Then 5 5s are what will come here? 5 5s are 25. What is that? 5 5s are 25. Okay. Then 1, 3, 6. What will come next? Triangular numbers. 10. Then 15. Then 21. Okay children, this is how you will write the triangular numbers. Please copy it on this exercise. For first one B option, second one C option, third one no, fourth one itself, fifth one 25, sixth one 10, 21. Okay children? Yes. We shall move on to the next one. The result of the sum of two triangular numbers is square numbers. So 1 plus 3, 1 and 3. What is this? This is triangular numbers and we are getting the answer as what? Square numbers. So if we add two triangular numbers, we are getting a square number. Again 3 is a triangle number, then 6 is a triangle number. So if we add two triangular number, we are getting what? 9, that is a square number. So this is a triangular number and this is a square number. So if we add two triangular numbers, we are getting a square numbers. So this is triangular number and we are getting square number as the answer. So if we add two triangular numbers, we will get a square numbers. Okay. Yes. to relate sequence of odd numbers between consecutive square numbers. So relationship between consecutive square numbers and odd numbers. Consecutive square numbers and odd numbers. So we have already learned about the relationship between square number and triangle number. So what is the relationship by triangle square number and triangular number? If we add two triangular number, we will get a square number. That is the relationship between triangular number and square number. Now we are going to know the relationship between consecutive square numbers and odd numbers. So what is the odd number? 1, 3, 5, 9, 11, all these are odd numbers. So when we add the consecutive odd numbers from 1, we will get square numbers. So we are going to add consecutive odd numbers and we will get a square number. So how will you add consecutive odd numbers? Yes, so first odd number is 1. So 1, if you add, you will get 1. Next is 1. What is the next odd number? 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 1 plus 3 plus next odd number is 5. What is this? 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. If we add, what we will get? We will get 16. So all these are what numbers? Square numbers. And all these are odd numbers. What is that? Odd numbers. So if we keep on adding odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers, what we will get? We will get a square numbers. That is the thing they have told. So 1, 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 16. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is 25. So these all are square numbers. Okay. So 1 is a common number among square number and triangular number. So 1 is coming both in square numbers and triangular numbers. So we saw a relationship between first we saw a relationship between what? Triangular numbers and natural numbers. So what is that? If we keep on adding the consecutive natural number, we will get a triangular number. The next thing we saw about relationship between square numbers and triangular numbers. So if we add two triangular numbers, we will get a square number. So 1 plus 3 is a triangular number. If we add these two, we are getting a square number. Next relationship is if we add consecutive odd numbers, we are getting square numbers. Okay, and the most important thing is 1 is the common number among square number and triangular number. Okay children? Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. We are going to try this thing. Okay. So first one they have done for you. The next thing we shall do. Okay. Yes. So take a pencil, page number 60. Page number 60. Yes. So we are going to do 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. So if we add all these numbers, we are getting 36. So we are adding the what number? Odd number. All these are odd number. If we add all these odd number, we are getting 36. 36 is a 6 into 6, 6 square. It is a square number. Okay. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. If you add all these, you will get 49. What is that? 49. 49 is a what number? It is a square number. So 7 into 7 is 7 square. So for 7 square we will get 49. Okay children. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. So if you add all these, what you will get? You will get 64. What is that? 64. That is 8 into 8. That is 8 into 8. That is 8 square. Okay. So all these are what number? Odd numbers. If we add all the odd numbers, we are getting a square numbers. Okay children? Yes. find the missing numbers. Yes, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, like that they have given 3, 6. Then what will be the next number? Triangular numbers. What is the next number? Triangular number. After 3, 6, what will come? Yes, 3, 6, 10 will come. 10. Okay. Yes. This thing you do it as a homework. Page number 60. Okay. So here they have told about the relationship between square numbers and triangular numbers. Okay. This is the thing. This is just an activity. You do it in a A4 sheet. Okay. So homework A4 sheet. You do it in the A4 sheet and show me. Okay, children. Yes. So this is the homework for you. This is a homework for you. You draw it in a A4 sheet and give me. Okay. Yes. So we saw about patterns, we saw about square numbers, we saw about triangular numbers, we saw about relationship between triangular numbers and square numbers. Okay, children, please watch the video properly. If you have any doubts, you can clear with me. Okay, children, thank you. Take care.